In this video, I will show you step by step how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys step by step how you can use free traffic from Pinterest without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, let's get started. As you can see over here, I made $127,710 in commission just using free traffic. Okay, by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, let's get started. So for people who are new to this business, to Fiverr affiliate, and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do, just come to this page, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr profile page, this Fiverr affiliates website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Okay, and you have a main source of traffic, you can say yes or no, choose your country. Okay, and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Pinterest. Okay, we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. So go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, it's super easy and it's for free. So, and make sure to open a business account, not personal account. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go again to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, so we'll use Pinterest trend to see what's trending on Pinterest. Then we will choose those services that are trending and we will promote those services on Pinterest to get commission. Okay, search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link, you will be directly in this page. Choose which country you want to target. So for me, for example, I will just keep targeting United States. You can choose Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, France, Mexico, and so on. I'm gonna choose the United States. I will scroll down. Pinterest trend will give you top trends in United States in the last 13 days. Okay, those are the trending products and services that people are searching for on Pinterest. Okay, I will click over here to see if I can some services. This one looks good. This one quote. This one is a service. I will scroll down. You should see over here related trends. Okay, so let me see if I can find some good. Think this one so let's check this one, mindset wallpaper, this one. Okay, and over here, so let me show you, they select just past 3 months. Okay, so this one, mindset wallpaper, is trending this month. Okay, this one is good, but let me see. Okay, so let's see. So this one is it's trending, but let me see if I can find. So let's check this one, inspirational quote. Okay, this one also looks really good. I'm gonna delete this one and I will delete this one and I will keep just this one. Okay, this one is really looking good. This one is trending this month, as you can see. In the United States, they are searching for. So this one is trending in United States in this month, okay? As you can see, inspirational quote. So what you will do, I will copy those keyword, okay? And I will go back to Fiverr, okay? I will go back to my Fiverr homepage and I will click on the search and I will search for this keyword, inspirational quote, okay? And here you go. Scroll down. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service, okay? This service is trending in United States in this month, and we will choose this and we will promote this service on Pinterest to earn commission because it's trending, okay? You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for, okay? So I will choose, so let me see. So make sure to choose good sellers. I want you to pay attention in this step, okay? So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So for me, I'm gonna choose this one, level 1 seller. He has a lot of reviews. This price is really good. A lot of people can buy this service. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Copy his profile link. So you just need to copy this seller profile link and you need to go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. It's super easy. Let's go to Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture, double click, save image. Save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it, for example, motivation, and I will go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture, okay? This is my picture, like this. So what you need to do next, you need title, okay, and description. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, okay, and copy his title, okay? So you are just an affiliate marketer, you can use his title, okay, like this. Description, go back to this profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, you should see about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part, go back to Pinterest, put this part here, scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you can create as many as you want. It's super easy, you just need to give it a name. So I already have a lot, I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags, okay? Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, keep scrolling down and you should see a related tags, okay? You should find a related tags. Those are his keywords, okay? So copy those keywords and go to Pinterest, put those keywords here. Go back to this page, copy those keywords. Go to Pinterest, make sure to put a lot of keywords here. Those are very important. After you finish, just click on publish and that's it. And here you go. You just promoted your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. It's super easy, okay? We are promoting this service. This service is trending, as you can see in United States. The inspirational quote, or people from United States are searching for inspirational quote on Pinterest, as you can see. it's trending in this month, so we are promoting this service that people are searching for. That's how we can earn commission with Fiverr affiliate and Pinterest, and that's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.